So we're doing our chakra healing series and we're doing the root chakra. This is going to be the last video on the root chakra. And today's video, the theme is all about how to process and make time to process your fears. So usually when it comes to fear, we are so often taught or told to believe to be ashamed of being afraid or of being ashamed of having a fear. We're told to be brave and push through it and get on and things like that. So often we don't even allow ourselves to even know what our fears are because we feel like we can't have them. And there's different states. I mean, there's fear as a state of being, which that needs work and that needs healing work and things like that. But there's fear as an emotion as well. And an emotion is just an emotion. It can fleet and it can be moved and processed. But so one, to give yourself some time and to get yourself into a state where you can feel validated in having any type of fear that you might be going through. So it's perfectly normal. We're all human. We're all allowed to be afraid by something or have feelings of fear towards something. So when you're in that state where you feel like you can be honest with yourself and have a real conversation with yourself, is to sit quietly, name the fear, and do some sort of validation to say to yourself, that's okay, you're allowed to have that, things like that. Then get into a meditative state and feel where it is in your body. So where is it? Where is this fear lodged in your energetic body? Is it and in your physical body? Is it in your knees? Are your hips or things like that? And then you can do breath work to release and clear it out of the body so that stagnant energy gets released. And then we can work onto the mental and emotional states of being that are associated with this fear. And it's things like doing empowerment affirmation statements. So naming the fear, validating it, feeling it, expressing it as well. And then realigning it so that it's more empowering. So thank you so much for telling me about this fear. However, that's not true for me, and this is what's true for me. And then name supportive affirmation statements. So that's a little bit of how to do things. If you're interested in this kind of work, do reach out and let me know. I'd love to help you and speak about this more with you. It's really great work. My clients do really well with processing this kind of stuff in their energy work. I hope you will. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and that you had a good week and that you're taking care. Bye.